about frames today. So how to handle frames. So in case of frames, what is a frame? So if we talk about a frame, we know that, for example, this is a browser. Okay, this is a browser window, and then we have a page in this. Can I change the color of this? Yeah, okay. So basically when we talk about a frame, I'm basically talking about a window. So example, this is a browser window. Okay, and within this browser window we can have multiple frames. Like here we can have this frame. Okay, in this frame in new tab, so we have this one, this particular frame. Okay, so now this frame. Okay, view frame on info. So this is the frame info that we have. Okay, so there are 3 frames in this. So within a page you can have multiple frames. Right, here I can see it like this. So what happens is, okay, so what happens is so if there are some elements on the page, so driver.find element by text would be able to fetch that particular element. But what if it is on another frame? So page can have its own web elements. Like we are here, we have 3 pages, but frame is another web element within that page. So if we want to find any element on that frame, we have to first switch to that frame. So first hierarchy is the page and the second is the frame. Okay, so frame is another web elements, and there will be a number of other web elements as well on the frame page. Okay, frame web element. So how do you check? So right click on this and you can see that this frame, only this frame is there. Okay, so this kind of thing will be there. So if I search frame, so I can search frames over here. Here it shows me frame. Okay, so this is how it is. So we will have that frame. Okay, got it. So that's the thing. And then like WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver, we write this opens the Chrome instance. Okay, and then this will maximize the window. Driver.manage manages the interface. Okay, it's an abstract class window. Okay, okay, driver.manage window.maximize, this will maximize the window. Driver.delete all cookies will delete all cookies, and then driver.manage.timeouts.page.time. Here we are giving a page load time of 20 seconds, time unit dot seconds. Okay, so this method takes 2 parameters. First is the amount of timeout value, and then unit of time. This is a timeout value in milliseconds. So driver.manage.timeouts implicitly will wait 10 seconds. Okay, so driver.get this, we're getting this particular page. So in this case we don't have the frames of now, but here I'll tell you just 2 things, that I don't have a page where we have frames. I think frames are mostly deprecated in latest websites. So just wanted to tell you that there are 2 types of methods. This one, string name. Okay, so the frame has a name also. So if it has a name, you can pass a name, or you can pass in indexes. So frame has different properties, like it has index and it has name as well. So based on those two properties, we can switch the frame. Okay, for example, there is this frame within a window. This is a window and there is a frame in this. So for example, this is a window, okay, and this is a frame. So in this particular frame, we can have multiple elements. So to switch from this place to this place, we will be driving dot switch to frame, and then we will mention the frame name or the frame index. Now index can be 0, 1, 2. If there are 3 frames, it will be 0, 1, 2. The 2 frames, it will be 0, 1. Okay, so accordingly you can switch. So if we have, how to check if we have frame on page or not? So to check that, we can just right click on the element that we are trying to hit, and just above that we can right click and we'll see that something regarding frame, as I showed you over here. Okay, we have something regarding frame here. Okay, so see, this frame is coming. So then we can go to view page source and we can find out what element is there. So okay, driver.switch frame has there, and these are the two properties. So you can be asked like, what about the two? So uh, this one, frame method is overloaded. You can pass two parameters, either index or this name.